How to reset Roblox avatar to default. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Then, click on Avatar at the bottom. After you've clicked on Avatar at the bottom, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Now, there's not one way to make it to default. What you can do is simply select Body and Full Bodies. If there is anything you have selected, simply click on Default by clicking on Customize at the top. Click on Head and Body, click on the default standard one, Hair, the default one, Skin Color, Default, Classic Hairs, Default, and in this way simply select everything default. After you've done this, everything will be reset and you're good to go. This is how to reset Roblox avatar to default. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.